Hello friends, good evening. This video contains most 5 important problem of algebra. Where the first problem is, if a to the power x plus 1 is equal to 64, then the value of 3 to the power 2x plus 1. Here the first question is, the value of a to the power x plus 1 which is equal to 64, which is equal to 64. Firstly, we can convert this 64 in the form of the a to the power. Firstly, we convert this 64 a to the power as, now x plus 1 is equal to, we can write this 64 a to the power 2. In square of 2 is 64. That means we compare in both sides. Here base is same, then the power will be comparable. Then x plus 1 is equal to 2. We can replace this one left and right hand side, that x will be becomes 1. Now we put the value of x in 3 to the power 2x plus 1. Put the value x is equal to 1. This will be becomes 3 to the power 2x plus 1, which is equal to 3 to the power 3. This will becomes 3 to the power 3, whose value is 27. And the cube of 3 is 27. Next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is 10 to the power. Question number 2 is 10 to the power 3x is equal to 10 to the power 3x is equal to 125. Now we can write of 10 to the power 3x is equal to 10 to the power x to whole power 3. Or we can write of 125 as 5 to the power 3. On taking cube root in both sides, this will be becomes 10 to the power x is equal to 5. We can reverse of this quantity. We can reverse of this equation, that will be becomes 10 to the power x, which is equal to 1 over 5. On squaring both side, so this will be becomes here 10 to the power 2x, which is equal to 1 over 25. We can write, if we can this denominator take to numerator, the power will be becomes is negative, and 1 upon 10 to the power 2x is equal to 10 to the power minus 2x, which is equal to 1 upon 24. Finally, the value of 10 to the power minus 2x is equal to 1 upon 25. So next question is, next question number 3, which contain 2 to the power x over 3 to the power y, which is equal to 72. Then the value of 2x minus y. Firstly, we can find the value of x and y, then we can find the value of 2x minus y. So if we can take 2x into 3 to the power y minus is equal to, we can write of the 72, 8 into 9. We can convert this 8 into 9 in the form of the 2 into 3 to the power. 2 to the power x or 3 to the power minus y is equal to, we can write of the 8 in 2 to the power 3 into 9 3 to the power 2. Compare in both side, 2 to the power x in left hand side and 2 to the power 2 to the power 3 in right hand side. So here x is equal to 3. Again we compare 3 to the power in both side, minus y is equal to 2. That means y is equal to minus 2. Now we find the value of now we find the value of 2x minus y. Here the value of 2 is 3. That means 2 into 3 minus y, the value of minus 2. The value of y is minus 2. The value of y is minus 2. That means this will be become 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8. Finally, the value of 2x minus y is equal to 8. Next question is, what is the value of, now firstly we can erase this question, after we can discuss the question number 4. Let's we start question number 4. Question number 4 is 2 to the power n minus 2 to the power plus 2 to the power n 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2 to the power n plus 1 plus 2 to the power, sorry, here minus denominator, 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 2 to the power n. Firstly, we can take the common in denominator 2 to the power n. So here this will be becomes 1 plus, here we can multiply numerator and denominator by 2, then 2 to the power n will be common. Here the remaining quantity is 1 by 2 in denominator. We can also take the 2 to the power n, this will be becomes 2, or here is remaining minus 1. So we can add this is 3 by 2, this will be cancelled out, or this is 3 by 2, or denominator has 1. So finally answer 3 by 2. I hope this is understand. Further we can discuss question number next question. Question number 5. Now firstly we can erase this question. After we can discuss the question number 5. Question number 5 is, which of the following is greater or less? Which is, that means the question contains some quantity, that is 2 to the power 60, 3 to the power 48, 4 to the power 36, and 5 to the power 24. Now we discuss which quantity is greater and which quantity is less. So firstly we can take highest common multiple of the power of the given thing, of the power of the given quantity. That means HCM of 60, 48, 36 and 24. The HCM of this quantity is 12. The HCM of this quantity is 12. That means 12 is the least integer which is divised is of this quantity. So LCM is 12. Now we can break of this 1 by 1 in the form of the power of 12. And we can write up 2 to the power 60 is equal to 2 to the power 5 into 12. That means we can write 2 to the power 5 in 32 to the power 12. Next, 3 to the power 48. We can write 3 to the power 3 in 12. Sorry. We can write 3 to the power 4 is 12. We can write of 3 to the power 4 is 81 to the power 12. Again, the 4 to the power 36 is equal to 4 to the power 3 to the power 12, which is equal to, this quantity will be becomes 64 to the power 12. Next, the 5 to the power 24, which is equal to 5 to the power 2 to the power 12. This is 25 to the power 12. Now here we can check the each power of this quantity. Each number has power equal. That means which integer, which number is greater than this number is greater, and which number is less than the given number is less than. Here the 81 is greatest. That means 81 to the power 12 is greater, which is equal to 81. 81 is 3 to the power 48. That means this quantity is greater. This quantity is greater. Again, here the least quantity, here least number is 25. Least number is 25. Here the least number is 25. That means the 25 to the power 12 is equal to, that means 5 to the power 24 is less quantity. Yes, smallest we can also write. This is a smallest of these. Smallest of these. Hence, this is a final. This is a greatest, or this is a least. Hence, we prove it's. I hope it is understands. Thanks for watching.